I picked up this 5.25-inch floppy drive for $10 a few days ago, and sadly it doesn't do much. It attempts to format and read disks, but it doesn't really manage to. And it sounds really sad when the post does its check. So I'll take a look at the heads and maybe grease the stepper rail a little bit, and hopefully we'll get on our way soon. Yeah. So yeah, those axles are quite desperately needing some lubrication. You can even see how it's been grinding against the metal there. Not good. Gonna fix that. Some moly coat. Okay, so look at the junk that came off of this, off of the two heads. So that might have had something to do with it. Also re-greased the axles. Very nice action on this now. Very smooth. Let's see what we can get out of it now. So this was very loud when I first tried it. Let's see what it does now. Wait, let me skip the RAM test here. That is so quiet. That is like not even hearable. Holy crap. So that's pretty cool. So let's see what it does now. Read the disc, sir. Well, that was pretty cool. So that's originally formatted disc, as we can see by the tag there. So let's try F9, write that thing. Ah, see, this one fares better. There we go. I can't even hear the drive when it's doing that. And it's stepping quite happily. That's a good result. I'm gonna boot up my dev environment, which has a network stack. So I'm gonna be able to copy some files over. So I'm gonna VC into that real quick. And I'm just gonna go copy some files here. Let's copy that over to this floppy. So that's pretty cool. So let's see what happens if I actually try to build the program from Floppy. There we go, and it's done. Perfect. Let's see if it works. Yup. Perfect. I'd say we got a working floppy drive. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.